Ah, where am I?
Hey, over here!
Oh, hi, Bookie.
Hey, Best Bird. Are you ready to start your best quest? First, you need to find a tool.
Hey, who's that? Hi, are you a shopkeeper?
I'm selling this crowbar for 1 rock.
1 rock. Okay. Here you go.
Nice rock.
Okay.
Take this.
It's not working.
Press Y.
Oh! Where am I? Oh. Okay, a battle. Okay, there's a menu. Fight. Slash. Yeah. Okay, level up. A stat. Okay, well I have a 2 in defense and a 2 in strength, but a 1 in intelligence. If I upgrade the intelligence, then I'll be balanced.
Thank you so much for saving me. A bunch of bullies wanted my lunch money, crying sound effect. But thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
What you did was an educated decision, and so I want you to have this for your troubles.
Wow, there's a lot of people here. I could probably get a few levels. Oh, there. Okay, a classroom. Maybe I could find another letter. Aha, a minigame. Aha, okay, I have 2 minutes to finish my homework. Here you go. Yeah!
Hey, Best Bird.
Yeah?
The last letter is guarded by the final boss.
The final boss? I need to get that last letter. Let's go. Oh, I'm going into a cutscene.
What a lovely day to be at the theater. Such great music and acting. Dad, help! I got captured. He got me.
Who's he?
Him.
Ah, Vesper, I see you finally arrived. It's time for our final battle. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha!
Ladiesman Mike, why are you doing this?
It's for the plot relevancy.
Okay. Beam blast! Educated decisions! I'll save you, baby bird! Oh! Scholar! Is he gone?
It seems that Bestbird has bested me.
Yes!
I'll let you have Junior back.
Thank you.
As long as you promise to always be a team player.
Just like saving this little guy, I'm a team player. Yaha! The day is saved again, thanks to being best.